Hey everyone, Tiffany here, and today I'm going to give you the rundown on Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. I'll show you what it looks like coming out of the pump here, and I want to let you know that if you have sensitive skin, if you can't use products with fragrance, then this is the cleanser for you. It's extremely gentle. You might have heard this is one of the top recommended brands from dermatologists. I know my dermatologist loves this stuff. Even if you don't have sensitive skin like me, sometimes it's just nice to take a break from all the fragrances, pare down your routine a bit, and simplify it. When I use it, I usually splash my face with warm water and then gently massage this in. But this lotion is so gentle, you could even use it without water. I mean, there's a reason why it's America's #1 best-selling facial cleanser. It's also great if you have dry skin because it helps lock in moisture. Gentle enough to use multiple times a day if you need to. I highly recommend this. If you're just looking for something that's kind of neutral, it's not going to harm your skin and it's not going to leave your skin dry afterwards. If this review was helpful for you, give it a like and consider subscribing. I do all kinds of beauty product reviews right here on this channel. Stay positive, be kind, and I'll see you next time.